Okay, here we are, people, in the rain again. 70 feet and counting. Lots of pizza. It's called, I think, maybe the stop sign. Head over there. 50 feet, 40 feet, 30 feet. Vibrated. No, still 20 feet. Is there a pole here? There's something here.
Oh.
Something there. Maybe that's it. That's it. I think that's it. We just gotta figure out how to open it.
This?
Yeah, I think that's it.
It's attached to here.
No, that's it. That's definitely it. What kind of screws is on top? Bet you gotta take the screws off. That's ground zero. I bet that's it. I almost guarantee you that's it. It's gotta be it.
You got a screwdriver?
Actually, I think I might. What kinds it take? Flathead?
Yep.
Because he said he had to repair it, remember? I bet you that's it. Okay, we're gonna run to the car, get a screwdriver, we'll be right back. So I'm back here with you guys. Got the fire engine with a flathead. Pulling some screws out, hopefully. It's not the greatest tool, but it should work. She's trying. We'll come around, get another angle on it.
Hold this like this, I can get it.
Looking along here, make sure I don't see nothing. I don't. So there she is. She's got one coming out.
Trying to, it keeps bending in.
Because it's an old multi-tool.
Well, you need to get a new one then.
She's complaining about the tool, but she didn't even bring her own. She's using mine.
You're supposed to. You're the captain, remember?
Well, you're the first mate, I guess. You're supposed to have all the stuff I don't have. One out. Come on, got three more. Got three more. Come on.
I'm coming.
So is Christmas. Easter's already passed, but it's coming again at this speed. Now this may not be it, and we might be wasting our time, but I hope not.
This thing is so slow.
Well, I didn't expect to be unscrewing a box lid.
I mean, after yesterday, you should be expecting anything.
Just about. Okay, there we go. Two out. She's gonna try to peek in. Still can't.
No.
No, it looks like an electrical box.
Yep.
Crud. Okay, so that was a waste. We're gonna keep looking. I don't know. That's interesting.
Hard one.
Hey guys, we've been looking for this one for a few minutes now. Of course, you see it was a rod. It's down in the hole. Wow, took us a minute, but we got it. Bring it here. So, oh, you got your pen. Sign it for all of us. Easy peasy. Here we go, guys. We're in a little church parking lot. Coming down here to check around.
Got it.
Well, that didn't take much.
It's a bison.
Another bison tooth. Okay, here we are, guys. We're all back on. Well, it looks like I forgot to turn my headlights off, so got to do that. We don't want to come back to a dead battery. That would not be good. And we got J-Dog, fire engine, and baby pup still with us. We're headed down here to one. I do have a trackable to drop if we find it, so that's cool. So let's see what we can come up with. Oh, by the way, we're at BJ's. Don't come here. Parking lot's crowded. Looks like J-Dog's spinning in circles. Doing the do-si-do? Yep. Sounds good to me. So this is something about wall. Here's the wall here. 118 feet. So,
Need a mask?
nah, I got plenty of them. $50 feet. Probably wonder why I parked so far away. I thought we could use the exercise this morning since we're not doing too much hiking because of the weather. Yeah. 16, I'm at 3 feet. So probably somewhere in this general vicinity.
How big is it?
This is a regular. Hint is tied around small tree directly on the other side of the wall. It's cement wall shortly after fence end. Fence ends down here. Small tree.
That was a huge hint.
Yeah. There it is.
Yep. Oh, this blends in with all
The hint helped. Okay, here we are hanging out here at Double Rock Park. Plenty of parking just in case anybody's wondering.
Yes, there's a lot of parking.
It's about 40 feet, 44 feet. We're pretty close. This one's gonna be micro. It's 2 difficulty, 1 to 1.5 terrain. So we are 30 feet. So start.
Is there a hint?
No hint, no hint.
It's gotta be a place in here.
28. I'm betting the street sign.
Yes.
Check the base.
Yep. Right here. Found it.
Awesome. There you go. Woo! So we're crossing the creek here, trying to get to this one called Roo Roo Roo. Don't step on that one. No, it moved.
Don't come down here. It's slippery.
Oh, they're coming. Come on.
I don't know. You should stay with them because I don't know if you're coming back. This way.
Who is it?
My mom. Okay, how many?
Okay, be back with you in a minute. Okay, so we get across this stick bridge. We're gonna pass this off to J Dog.
I'll go across if you want me to.
Abigail made it across. Come on, Captain.
Hey guys.
Go on the other side and hold Captain's hand.
Hi, fire
Wait,
engine.
Xander.
Hey. Hold on.
Yeah, hold on. Wow, he made it. All right, help Xander.
Camera. That's gonna look good on camera. Yeah. Xander.
No.
Watch out.
Ready? Ready? Here. There's the stick. Good job, buddy.
You got this. Hand. Hand. You're good, Jeff.
Jump. J Dog, you need a stick?
Here.
Yeah, I'm gonna need this stick.
This is awesome.
You're about to film me falling in.
That's what you thought I was gonna do.
I hope you get a lot of views from this one.
Come on, Dad. Come on. You can do it.
Big old spider on this.
Dad,
Apparently I used it.
we're in the woods.
Your wife is gonna kill me.
Where's that stick?
Right here. I got your hand whenever
I don't know if I can get this other.
Foot across. There it is. There we go. There we go. There we.
Jump.
Woohoo!
Right.
No.
Onward to the cache. 18 feet, 15 feet.
It's wet leaves.
17. Roots. That's kind of what I was thinking initially.
Oh, wait, there's a hole in here.
Yeah, Abigail got it.
No, I don't see it yet.
I think check around this tree here. The big tree right in front of us. Because that's where I think is kind of pointing me towards. Oh, God. 12 feet. I'm at 8 feet. Oh, there is a trail right here. Not a real good trail, but there is a trail.
Is it in this?
Oh, I'm showing 13 feet.
13? Which way?
I'm 16 now, so up that way towards yous. Okay. Okay, while we look for this, we'll call you back. There it is, guys. Got it. Hiked through the trees, but we found it. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are hiking in for this one called Double Vision. It's a regular size. I do have a trackable still looking to go in. We're about 60 feet and counting. My crew's going after that set of trees, but I like this one over here myself. Okay, looks like this is where we're at. But look at that one, Jared.
Yeah,
That one looks perfect. She's got it. It looks like a Lego box. Here we go. They're my crew on top of their game today. Looking good. Still hiking in the woods. They're coming up. We're looking for one, about 150 feet. We've gotten what so far? 3 here? 2. 2 here, working on the 3rd. So Double Rock, nice little park.
Actually, no, we did get 3 because we found the one in the parking lot.
3 because the one in the parking lot, that's right. We can't count or we can't remember, one of the 2. 88 feet.
88.
77, 74.
Hint?
I don't know. Hint is Dan holds the key.
Oh, might be one.
Dan holds the key.
Which way?
I don't know. You can only do one thing at a time. This way.
Okay, this way?
30 feet. So we're something about Dan holds the key. Anybody know? Anybody watching this named Dan? Tell me where it is. We don't know. 9 feet. Huh? Dan! Dan, I need a key! Dan! He's not answering. So, I don't even have a clue where to go. 'Cause I'm at 3 feet. I don't even have a clue.
Small? What size?
Regular.
Oh,
Regular.
regular.
We got a photo. Let's see what the photo looks like. We're looking for a PVC pipe.
PVC pipe, where is it? Oh. Pipe. Pipe.
White PVC pipe. Okay, so I'm going to turn you guys off so I can start looking for it as well. That Miss Fire Engine on the ball up in the tree hole. Got it. We got a creek to cross. We gotta get on the other side right here.
Okay. I need a stick.
No.
Hey, anybody got a stick anymore?
Yep.
I mean, this is all rocks, so we could just climb over.
Everybody debating on which way is easiest and best place to cross.
Hey, she found a stick. Okay.
Hold on. Oh, I'm recording, see? Okay, we got a loose rock right here. Okay, there we go. Fire engine making a move.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Good job. J-Dog leaving baby pup behind. Going first.
Once you get to like there, you can probably give him a stick. He falls in.
Does he fall?
I might.
Dad, please fall.
That's the loose one.
Yeah, there's one right in front of it though that's not as loose.
It's not loose at all.
There you go.
You got to be able to pass the stick back.
I'll wait right here for you.
You got it. It's not a marathon. Well, actually, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
I'll pass you the stick. Don't fall.
Get onto that flat one and you'll be good.
Yeah, I know you good. Babe pup right behind. Coming across.
Go onto that flat one and come onto the ground. There you go. Now we are clear.
And we've cleared another creek. So onward we go. I don't know, folks. It's supposed to be a small. Something to do with those trees over there, I'm telling you. J-Dog, you gotta make a play on it? You got it? No. Oh.
Trying to find a path over here. Thorns over here, so.
Oh. Okay, I'm into the trees. I'm at 23. 15. Ow, hey, I found it. Right there. Not bad. Feet. Hey, boy. Creek. Oh, boy. Definitely looks like it's on the other side. And I see a tree across the water there. Has a split right in the bottom of the tree.
I think we might be able to get down it from over here.
Fire engine, lead the way. Woo, 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 woo. Coming down right behind you.
How many feet away are we?
43. I have no hands because I got camera in one and phone in the other. Ugh. I didn't need them. 30 feet.
Got it.
Ho ho! Look at her. Awesome job, guys. J-Dog coming up.
Yep. Yeah.
There you go. Good job, guys. Diving through a tree.
Got it.
Good job, Zanderman. Baby pup.
Got pens in it already. Got it.
They found it.
Ow.
Hey guys, Captain back here with you with the crew. We're making a play on one about 340 some odd feet that away. We're gonna walk down the back of these houses on the school property. Fortunately, due to certain viruses, schools are closed. We don't have to worry about no children running around getting in the way. So, and that's kind of why we're all able to be out here now, because, you know, they're not in school. She'd be in school, he'd be in school, and I'd be by myself probably. So 240 some odd feet. So here we go. Anything you want to say, J-Dog? Silent but serious. 200 feet.
Is there a hint?
Don't know, baby pup. Let's see. Hint. Easy to spot in the back of. Easy to spot in the back of the driveway. That's got to be in someone's driveway then. So they must be a geocacher who's placed this one. I finally did it. I'm a homeowner. I must commemorate this with a cache since I definitely have property owner's permission to place it here. Yes, this is my own property. Huh. So it actually gives me the address and everything. So I don't think we need to be back here. I think we can go back to the car and literally pull in their driveway. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going back to the car. We're gonna pull in their driveway. I'll be back. Just go inside. Sit right there.
Ooh, cool. Oh, there it is.
There you go, buddy.
You can definitely fit some stuff in there.
There you go.
contraption work? Oh, do you just pull it?
Yeah. It's just hard though.
Dad, come help. It's up
Bit.
to you.
Got it.
Ta-da.
Hey everybody, back at it again. We're at another
There's another trail.
hiking trail type place, nice wooded area, bunch of trails leading out here. There's about 4 or 5 geocaches here, good sized ones, so we'll see what happens, but not 100% sure. We'll see. It'd be interesting to say the least. I think that's the trail there we're gonna want to jump on to start. So here we go, straight ahead, people.
Abigail.
Hey everybody, here we are back in the woods for this one. This is a 4.5. Abigail and Xander, or I should say Fire Engine. They've got it. Come on. Come on, J-Dog. Kiddos made it.
Grab that rock, Xander, if you wanted to. Okay, I want to see what's in there first. Okay.
Is this a big one?
This is a medium. Hey,
Let's see. Oh, goodness.
You're gonna have to stay stable.
hold this.
Up here, though.
Hold this.
Let me get to a spot where I feel comfortable. And
I'm up. I want to see inside it.
trying.
Got it.
Shooting through your hair. Woohoo!
There's nothing in it.
There you go. Hey guys, we're in the woods after another cache. We're about 2 tenths from it. We've been hiking for quite a while now. Squishy, squishy. Big trees. Just about everything you can think of.
Ew, it smells horrible.
Looks like you're stepping in a well.
Xander went down.
You alright?
He didn't go down hard. Smells like cucumbers.
It does not smell like
You guys smell cucumbers on the camera? I smell cucumber. Squish, squish. Okay, so. Okay, we'll bring y'all back when we get close. Hey, Geo Universe. We decided we're gonna cut through the woods up there instead of taking the trail. So here we go. Fire engine, let's roll. Just keep digging, don't stop. Pump the legs. Caught up to you. Keep pushing.
Dumb idea.
Who's your idea, J-Dog? I don't know right now, just get to the top. Y'all, this was a crazy idea. Follow the trails. It's probably the best way to do things like this. They're down there. He's up there. And I hear rain, so that's no good either. Okay. Hey everybody, Captain back. We survived the hill climb. I don't think that was the smartest idea.
No, it wasn't.
We're about 60 feet from the geocache. 64 feet, some of them going up, so I think it's this way. This way, 62 feet, yes. Go this way. Name of this cache is Hercules. Hint is, oh, how the mighty have fallen. Probably something because of all these trees that have fallen down around here. Yes, in case you can hear it, I am very out of breath. But we are here. This is the furthest one in the park. We just vibrated, so I'm 30 feet, 21 feet, 17 feet, 13 feet, 9 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet, 9 feet. We're just about ground zero. So we're looking. 19, it went up. We're going up. Okay, so let's see if I can get this go back down. Okay, what are y'all thinking? Where are you looking, Paul? Where are you at, Captain? Use your brain cells. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, give us a few minutes. We'll look and we'll bring you back. Right there, under there. So here we are, guys. We're at these trees. We found it, sent Xander in. There it is, Tupperware dish. Woo! Okay, Captain Geo and the crew are back with you here, still in the woods of this place that we're at. I don't know the name of Nature Center Reserve place. So we're 100 feet. Dropping down, looks like we're about to have to veer up into the woods. Keep going. Not yet, we're at 94 feet. And dropping, we're at 90 feet. Okay, I think we're gonna have to veer up here.
Look at that big tree right there.
Something about a dead pine, under a dead pine, and a poplar. I don't know. Come on, JD.
How many feet?
90. 87. 70.
A lot.
I got you on camera, so you fall. We know it.
Okay.
You might not want to fall because there's a lot of thorns.
Yep.
And Xander went down.
Good. Probably fell in the same spot I did.
Pretty much. 70 feet, Jay. Keep going. Hi, guys.
Hey, nice to see you again.
Can't walk, but I'm here. 40 feet. 38 feet. 30 feet. 29 feet. 25 feet. Jay, where are you at?
Got eyes on the dead tree.
Yeah.
That's the dead one, right?
That's the dead one. Now where's the poplar?
There's probably maybe that one.
7 feet. We're 7 feet, ground zero, just about right in this area. Start looking.
Regular, you said?
Yep.
Any pictures?
Not that I know of. Keep looking.
Where's the dead tree?
You're looking at it. Where's the dead tree? There's the dead tree. We found the dead tree. There we are. We've got this one in location. Good
There's
job,
just a
team.
pig.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. 90 feet. Right. Left. Straight is really what I want to go. Let's go left.
Okay.
No, let's go right. I don't know, guys. Don't know why they trust me to direct. 60 feet. Go. 50 feet.
Under dead
Hint.
something?
Ammo can to the left of dead tree under bush.
Tree right there.
Depends on which way you come in at it. Be left. Dead tree, left. Left, under bush, over that way, probably. 30 feet.
See it, Xander?
No.
I vibrated. 30 feet. Keep going, guys. Come on. Dead tree, left, under bush.
I'm going around this way. I'll follow you.
You don't have to follow.
I'm 9 feet.
9 feet?
I'm 9 feet right here, guys. Maybe 13 feet.
Eh?
Should be right here. We should be just about on top of it.
Not bush.
I need
Alright.
You okay, buddy?
Are you okay, bud?
Okay. You okay?
good.
Okay. This is weird. Should be right on top of it, guys.
Xander, did you hurt your ankle?
Okay, I'll bring you all back. Hey guys, so the one we've been working on for about, I guess, 40 minutes or better. We didn't come up with it. We're gonna go back to it after we find this next one. It's down around to the other side of the park, so we're gonna head that way. See if we can come up with it. Go left. See if we can come up with this one. If we do, or if we don't, we still got to come back out this way. So we'll do another check on it. I've got a message out to a guy who found it recently. Maybe he can give me some info and see what happens. So see what happens. See you soon. Feet.
Which way?
To the left of the trail. No hint. 22 feet. 20. 18, that's where I'm headed. I don't know. I'm at 10 feet.
10 feet?
Yep.
Get that right there.
Over there.
Okay, no hint. It was just found on the 25th. I got a photo. Okay, hold on here. It looks to be a plastic ammo can. That same little kid found it. I'm thinking, I think I see it.
You think you see it? Where?
Pull that log back right there.
What, this one?
Yep.
Yep.
There it is.
Why couldn't you find the other one?
So we got that one. So on the good news is there's only one left for us to find. Bad news is the one we spent 40 minutes on already, so we gotta go back and try again. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, world, no, this last one we were unable to find it again, even with some help from a friend. So this one's gonna go DNFing on my page. But that's not the way I like to end the day, now is it, people? So we're gonna grab one more cache somewhere on the way home so we can say we ended it with a positive note. So that's the way it is. Now, granted, everybody is wore out.
Yes.
We're sore, we're tired, we've been beat up.
7.7 miles.
Almost 8 miles hiking today.
And it probably will be 8 before it's over.
Thorns all through our hands and feet, knees, crawling through the woods looking for this last one. But that's what geocaching is about. It's not necessarily the finding it, it's about the experience, the relationships and bonds that you will build with your geocaching buddies and friends. And trust me, they ain't happy with me right now. So we'll be good when we get our pizza in our belly. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna try to get this one here. This is about 70 feet and it's gonna be our last one. Hopefully we can get it and call it a day. So baby pup's over. Fire engine, you gonna make it?
I'm trying to work up the motivation.
Here, baby pup, keep that camera on me. Back up. Show you how old dog does. I still got a little spry in my step. Let's go find it.
How many feet?
I don't know.
It might be over here.
60 feet this way. J-Dog, come on.
I don't blame him.
Oh,
After 8 miles of walking, I wouldn't want to get out the car again.
But you are out.
I know.
30 feet. I vibrated. "26 feet. Hint is no need to pine over this cache."
there's probably a pine
Whoa.
tree.
Really? We're in a bunch of pine trees, people. 29 feet.
In this direction?
I don't know. Just walking around looking, buddy. 28. Looks like we might be going down. 26. 22. 20. 17. Is it the birdhouse?
Yeah, that's what I was
Is
thinking.
this the birdhouse? No, I think that's the actual birdhouse, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
No, hold on. Undo that latch. There you go. Anything in it?
Can't see.
No, anything in there, guys? I can't see.
No bird feathers.
Okay, that's a real birdhouse, dude.
Okay.
Okay, so we're wrong on that one. Yeah, I was like 5 feet falling out of the woods. Okay, here we are. What are we looking for? J-Dog, what'd you say we were looking for?
Like a sandwich thing, I think. I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna put you all away for a minute. There it is. Fire engine came up with it. We've got the cash. That makes for a good find to end the day. So that being said, you guys stay with the channel. Keep watching. We'll have more videos coming. I've got 2, maybe 3 more days here in Baltimore area, and I'm headed home. So we'll get some local catching done here in a little bit. Get Button Baby back on the channel, and see where we go from there, guys. So keep watching. More fun to come.